What up, y'all? Two-time Moto, back at it. Yo, when y'all see this catastrophe I got going on right now, y'all gonna be like, yo, Nick, what are you doing? But yeah, man, took the whole front end of the car apart. So I get the fenders, the front header panel, the grill, and the bottom bumper and everything back on, man. But yo, like, I didn't know it could be so many doggone bolts holding one thing together. It's a bunch of like little tiny bolts, like little bolts like this that just go all over the place, man. Luckily, I took a lot more from the junkyard when I went and got the fenders. I got all of the bumpers, got all of the bolts from the bumpers, the fenders, and the grill. So I should have enough bolts in case I lose one falls somewhere or whatever, you know. I always make sure I got enough bolts and everything. But without further ado, man, look at this, y'all. This is crazy. It look like a little go-kart. Shoot. Hey, knowing me, man, like, I would try to take off in a car like this, man, you know, just ride down the road with it, see how it feel. But y'all see I ain't got nothing supporting. My fender wall's up, so it is just gonna rub on the tire. But I feel like it'll be pretty cool, man, to ride down the road on some 8s with the whole front gone, just the motor showing. But yeah, so I may be able to back it out of the garage. Today it's actually getting pretty late, so hopefully I have time to put everything back together. But I'm running out of room. That's why I said, y'all, like, once my ordeal is up here at this house, I'm gonna move somewhere where I got a 2-car garage or a garage in the back that's not attached to the house, man, so I can do all my work in. And then too, I ain't gotta worry about losing nothing. I ain't gotta worry about squeezing in the tight areas. Y'all see I got my bike back here, man. This ain't no place for this bike to be with all this stuff around, so I'm definitely being careful with that. Make sure I don't drop nothing on it or whatever. But yeah, it's definitely a bad feeling when you in a tight enclosure trying to work on a big project. But things to get better, man. You gotta work with what you got sometimes. Like I said, everybody gotta start from somewhere, so hopefully I can get this thing back together tonight. All right, y'all, I think she's ready for paint. Check out the finished product. I'm gonna take this here off before I send it up there to Maaco Monday. So, like I said, this fender came off a Grand Marquis. So, the only thing I gotta do is put some heat to it, and it should peel right off. Yeah, y'all can see how I got it lined up. Gaps are real nice. This is how the cut turned out. I want to cut some off in this bottom here and send it straight back, like this. Because it looks kind of weird with it coming back in at the bottom like that. Oh no, I mean, it looks alright. I'm gonna shave just a little bit at a time and just keep looking at it. I'm gonna do all that tomorrow. The side turned out very well. Y'all can see my fender wall gap here. It's pretty good. Body lined up. Yeah, it's a dirty fender here. I had this fender, I won't say about 5-6 years. When I went to the junkyard to pull a rear end off, I grabbed that fender right along with it because he was giving it to me for free. So I said, I never know what I might need it for. And guess what? I definitely needed it. I'm gonna leave my headlights out. I'm gonna take the grill off too tomorrow. Take that front plate off. Take the shark fin off. And take the rear spoiler off. Let them paint that off the car. I don't mind putting that back on. That's easy. I can just get inside the trunk and put the bolts back in. I want them to paint everything up underneath. But yeah, y'all, that's how it turned out. The motor is very dirty. I gotta spruce up my wiring and stuff a little bit, man. I gotta do something about this stuff. This stuff came on the car like this. I don't even have a clue what it does or what it is. So I'm gonna test it one of these days and get that situated. But everything else is pretty good. I'm not really too concerned about this motor anyway, because I'm putting something else in it. But before I do put another motor in it, I'm gonna clean the engine bay up real good, and if I gotta paint somewhere, I'll paint it. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to get this car back show ready. Everything is done, finally. Y'all see my cuts. Turned out pretty good. I could probably work that cut a little bit, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I even cut the back. Y'all can see the cut. And she was scrubbing real bad in the back when I would like take a turn and have to go uphill. This side turned out very nice. Y'all can see the cut here in the back. And the cut in the front turned out perfect. I'm gonna get that other side just like this one. Have it just come down flat like that. Overall, I'm very pleased of how everything turned out. Like I said, I got both of the fenders on. I don't even have the hood latched down or anything. It's just sitting up there. So I know y'all probably wondering about this gap here. It's not pushed down or anything. It's just sitting on top. Took my headlights out. Got the other front grille in there. Tail lights out. The only thing I have to do now, y'all, when I get the car back, is cut this inside piece right here out. I just folded it in for now. I'm just gonna take the wheel off and cut that piece out. I done the other side already, but I'm running out of time to get it up there in the Maaco. You see this side right here is cut out. That's the only thing I got left to do. So, off the Maaco I go, y'all, and the car's gonna go bye-bye for a couple weeks. Cause the guy told me it's gonna take a couple weeks to get it done, especially the hood. He said the hood's gonna take a while. He's sanding the whole car down to bare metal. Priming it, sanding the primer down, and then painting it so I can slap my wrap on it. Also, another thing I wanted to point out, I went on ahead and scuffed this because I'm gonna plastic dip that black when I get the car back. I just took the sander and just sanded it. Took the chrome off so that my plastic dip can stick. It's just a preparation point, you know, for when I get the car back. I wanted to look towards the future instead of thinking about right now and rushing things and trying to get it painted, and I forget steps. But so far, everything is done that I know of, and he'll let me know if I got to do something else when I get up there. So, yeah, here we go, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm saying goodbye for a little while here at Maaco. Saying bye-bye. Next time I see her, she'll be done had a new makeover. I like that right there. I don't like the banana yellow. I don't know if they painted it or not, but I don't think I would have done it yellow. But you know what? Whatever floats somebody's boat, man. You know, if they like it, I love it. Yep. Sad to see her go, but I love to watch her leave, if you know what I mean. Y'all, it's coming together, man. They got the hood done, looking real good. I don't see no chips. It's not wavy. Oh man, he put some time into this thing, y'all. Yeah, he's supposed to be sanding the rest of the car and stuff for me when they get back, but yeah, y'all, they about to close down, so it's only me and another guy in here. He said I'm like family, so that made me feel real good. He let me come in here. He even fixed the little dings that I had over here, man. That is amazing. I had 2 dings. The only 2 dents in the car. It was 2 small dings though, but you could still see it real good. But yeah, he done fixed that. And next thing, y'all, you gonna strip the whole car down to bare metal, man, and paint it, prime it, paint it. Real pleased with how it's turning out. Very pleased. He told me that he stripped off 15 pounds of Bondo, which I believe it, because the Bondo on here before was thick. And then when I came up here yesterday, he had the hood semi-finished. He just had to sand it down a little bit more, but the hood was very light. I mean, when I picked it up off the car to begin with, man, that thing was heavy, like mad heavy. So now he said that I should be able to go and get some more struts so that the hood can stay up by itself and I won't have to put anything up underneath there, y'all. But I'm very pleased with how it's turning out. So yeah, y'all, next video, the car will be done and I'll give y'all what it looks like. You know, probably another drive around video and you know, how I feel about everything that turned out. But yeah, y'all, I'm feeling it, man. I'm feeling it. I'm happy. Grin like a chess cat. But yeah, y'all, next video, man, stay tuned, man, so y'all can see how this thing turned out. Y'all know I'm gonna wrap it a couple weeks after. I'm gonna let the paint cure, but you know I'm gonna wrap it. So I may come with another color, man. Y'all, you know, y'all don't know. I don't know. Y'all don't know. But y'all will know just as soon as I figure something out, man. Yes, so stay tuned, man. Peace out.